Hey Lucio, so seems like working, but also not working. So let me show you. So I've created this course. This course is CFNS test course. Uh, this is the course. We can restrict this course also to people who doesn't have any of these tags. That can be done later. But inside that I have created two lessons. You can see lesson 1 and lesson 2, and inside lesson 1 I created lesson 1 subtopic 1, lesson 2 subtopic 2. Now I have logged in as Sovit, and Sovit has this particular tag. So it has this particular tag, so I am able to see lesson 1 and lesson 2 and topic 1, topic 2. But I have logged in as a gunner, as gunner does not have one of these tags, and this is the gunner login. I refresh the page and I don't see the lesson 2 because I have restricted that not to show. So this is what I did. This is the lesson 2. I have added here, if any of these tags are available, then only show this, or else hide completely. So this is the setting I have done for the lesson 1, and that's why it's not showing for gunner. But unfortunately I tried doing this for the topic also to hide. I've added the same settings, CFNS, these 4 tags, and hide completely. So if I do hide completely, and update this, unfortunately it's still showing. But what is happening here, if somebody goes and click here and click on topic 2, it will take you to redirect page not found page. However, from Sovit, if I go and click on this, it will take me to the particular page. So what I thought, instead of giving a 404 which doesn't look good, I actually made it redirect to the back to the course page. So this is the course URL. So I have given that should get redirect to the course page. Update, go back. This is saved, is true. I think this is a bug. This is showing, this should not show, but I have to fix the bug. Let me see if I can modify the plugin and fix the bug. But right now if you click on L2, it will take back to the same page. It will not take you to the 404 page. Now if I click on topic 1, it will take me to topic 1, and if I click on to this, it will always redirect back to the main course page. So this is how it's been set. I'll look for this bug to be fixed on Memberium, or probably I raise a ticket, let them update their plugin, and it should work. If they don't update, I will update it from my end and tweak the plugin. Okay. So and inside here, let's say you want to you wrote something and you want to hide something based on the membership level. For that we already have this page where you can copy this shortcode from here to here. Let's do this. I go to the topic, I go to, let me go back to the lesson 1. sorry, bit slow internet. So I'll put this text. Member has name has any tag. Close this, and member is admin. Close this. Best way, I'll go to the text editor, make sure there is no space here. So if people has these tags, will be able to see this, or else not. This is inside the content. So let's go ahead and go here, click on L2, L1. So I can see this. Let's check this for Ghana. The text doesn't show up here. So this is how it's been set. Just go through this. The course name is this, CFNS. The lesson 1 is L2 and L1, and the sub lesson, the topic 1 is again topic 1, topic 2, L1 topic 1 and L2 topic 2. So these are all here in topics and lesson. Just go through it and let's connect today, and I will see what can I do with the bug for the topics, and we'll take it forward from there. Thank you.